डिटेल क्रिटिकल समरी देख लेते हैं पार्टनर की, अब इसको खत्म ही कर लेते हैं. द पार्टनर राइट्स इन वेरी बैक ऑफ द पार्टी इन जनरल प्रोलोग एंड इज फिटिंग द मोस्ट मार्जिनलाइज्ड कैरेक्टर इन द कंपनी. He is profession in some were dubious. Partners offers indulgences or previously written pardons for particular sins to people who repented of the sin they had committed. Along with receiving the indulgences, the penitent would make a donation to the church by giving money to the partner. Eventually, this charitable donation became necessary part of receiving an indulgence. Paid by church to offer these indulgences, the partner was not supposed to pocket the penitent's charitable donation. That said, the practice of offering indulgences came under critique by a quite few churchmen, since once the charitable donation became practice alliance to receiving an indulgence, it began to look like one could cleanse oneself of sin by simply paying off church. Additionally, widespread suspicion held that partner counterfeited the Pope's signature on illegitimate indulgences and pocketed the charitable donations themselves. Additionally, क्या हुआ था, वाइड सस्पिशन क्या था कि जो पार्टनर्स हैं ये खुद से पॉप के सिग्नेचर जो हैं इलेजिटिमेट जो इंडल्जेंसेस होती हैं उनके ऊपर ये खुद से साइन कर लेते थे और उनको पॉकेट कर लेते थे द चैरिटेबल डोनेशंस themselves, अपने पास रख लिया करते थे. Chaucer's partner is a highly untrustworthy character. He sings a ballad, "Con hider love to me." ठीक है, वो ballad जो है वो sing करता था with hypocritical summoner, undermining the already challenged virtue of the profession as one who worked for the church. He presents himself as someone of ambiguous gender and sexual orientation. Further challenging social norms, the narrator is not sure whether the partner is an effeminate homosexual or enanche. ठीक है, या वो like the other pilgrims, the partner carries with him to Canterbury the tools of his trade. In his case, freshly signed papal indulgences and sacks of false relics, including a brass cross filled with stones to make it seem as heavy as gold, and a glass jar full of pig's bone, which he passes off as saint relics. Since visiting relics on pilgrimage had become a tourist industry, the partner wants to cash in on religion in any way he can, and he does this by selling tangible material objects, whether slips of paper that promise forgiveness of sins and annual bonds that people can string around their necks as charms against the devil. After telling the group how he guzzled the people into indulging his own avarice through a sermon he preaches on greed, the partner tells of the tale that exemplifies the wise discreet in his sermon. Furthermore, he attempts to sell pardon to the group, in effect playing his trade in clear violation of rules outside by the host. ये बेटा आपका आज का लेसन एंड